Dogecoin value equivalent to 2.2943 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.2066 The earlier day close, 2.2590. The change was plus 0.353 plus 1. 56%. Backwards rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2024. At the outset cost at 1.4897 rands. Excessive cost 1.4897, while low cost 1.1637. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.3486. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.2513. Change for November 16.0%. Dogecoin estimate for December 2024. First and foremost cost at 1.2513 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.5531, while low cost 1.2513. They found the middle value of cost 1.3768. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.4515. Change for December 16th. 0%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2025. First and foremost cost at 1.4515 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.8016, while low cost 1.4515. They found the middle value of cost 1.5971. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.6837. Change for January 16th. 0%. Dogecoin figure for February 2025. Before all else cost at 1.6837 rands. Excessive cost 1.6837, while low cost 1.4072. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.5719. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.5131. Change for February 10.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for Walk 2025. Before all else cost at 1.5131 rands. Excessive cost 1.7088, while low cost 1.4852. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.5760. Dogecoin cost figured toward the month's end 1.5970. Change for spring 5.5%. Dogecoin gauge for April 2025. To start with cost at 1.5970 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.9822, while low cost 1.5970. They found the middle value of cost 1.7572. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.8525. Change for April 16th. 1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2025. First and foremost cost at 1.8525 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.1485, while low cost 1.8525. They found the middle value of cost 1.9654. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 2.079. Change for May 8th. 4%. Dogecoin figure for June 2025. Initially cost at 2.079 rands. Excessive cost 2.0956, while low cost 1.8214. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.9709. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.9585. Change for June 2.5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2025. To start with cost at 1.9585 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.9585, while low cost 1.5812. They found the middle value of cost 1.7996. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.702. Change for July 13.2%. Dogecoin estimate for August 2025. To start with cost at 1.702 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.0235, while low cost 1.702. They found the middle value of cost 1.8288. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.8911. Change for August 11th. 2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2025. At the outset cost at 1.8911 rands. Excessive cost 1.8911, while low cost 1.5523. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.7509. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.6691. Change for September 11.7%. Dogecoin conjecture for October 2025. At the outset cost at 1.6691 rands. Excessive cost 1.7365, while low cost 1.5093. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.6345. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.6229, change for October 2.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2025. First and foremost cost at 1.6229 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.8424, while low cost 1.6014. The found the middle value of cost 1.6972. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.7219, change for November 6th, 1%. Dogecoin estimate for December 2025. First and foremost cost at 1.7219 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.7219, while low cost 1.4856. The found the middle value of cost 1.6317. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.5974, change for December 7.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at 1.5974 rands. Excessive cost 1.5974, while low cost 1.3330. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.4923. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.4333. Change for January 10.3%. Dogecoin figure for February 2026. Before all else cost at 1.4333 rands. Excessive cost 1.7790, while low cost 1.4333. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.5771. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.6626. Change for February 16th, 0%. Dogecoin cost expectation for WARC 2026. Before all else cost at 1.6626 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.8074, while low cost 1.5710. The found the middle value of cost 1.6826. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.6892. Change for spring 1.6%. Dogecoin figure for April 2026. Initially cost at 1.6892 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.8363, while low cost 1.5961. The found the middle value of cost 1.7095. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.7162. Change for April 1st, 6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2026. Before all else cost at 1.7162 rands. Excessive cost 2.1302, while low cost 1.7162. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.8884. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.9908, change for May 16th, 2%. Dogecoin estimate for June 2026. First and foremost cost at 1.9908 rand.